This is the Queda de Quatro tutorial. So we can use this as a escape. It's one of the forms of esquiva. There are many ways you can do this. I'm gonna show doing from the esquiva lateral. So if I'm going to my right, I'm gonna step my right leg to the side into the lateral position so I can get closer to the floor. Note I'm gonna fall back, so you're gonna drop the weight into your arm and your hand is flat, completely flat on the floor. And then when both hands on the floor and both feet on the floor, that's the Queda de Quatro position. To stand up, you're gonna continue rolling to the same side. So if I went to my left, I'm gonna go left, esquiva lateral, left hand down, bring the leg closer to you to adjust, depend on your flexibility, and then push back from that leg. Doing it slow is a little bit more challenging, but you can get used to it. The more you can get used to it, you can add the momentum. So if you look from the side, I'm gonna step the leg to the side so I can get my hand as close as I can. When it's really close to the floor, maybe like an inch away from the floor, that's when I fall back. So there is no much impact on my wrist. And then I'm gonna twist my hip to the side to push myself over and then come back. So we can do without the Ginga. We can just keep alternating from one side to the other. So now I'm gonna be going to my left, so I get close to the floor, put the hands down, so my hips are completely forward, and then I push, and then I can bring the opposite leg back. We can do it from the Ginga. So from the Ginga will be the same thing. As long as I initiate my esquiva lateral, so I'm gonna step to the right, go down, put my hand, the other hand, and then keep rotating. So you're doing a full circle around your hip, ideally. So when I'm gonna go to the other side, now I'm going to my left, I'm gonna go left, so put my left hand down, right hand, push it up and stand up. There is few other variations we can get into this, but this is what we're gonna be using for now. So the more I can extend my esquiva lateral, the better, the closer it is, the easier it is to reach the floor. So keep drilling this both sides until you get used to it, and the more familiar you get with the movements, you loosen up your hip more, you build up the strength. I hope that helped, and I see you on the next one.